Generative AI is the most powerful enterprise productivity engine in history, driving teams to process information and execute tasks at incredible speeds. But to leverage that level of output, organizations have to feed these language models massive, continuous streams of text. Every day, employees are uploading extensive CRM database exports, raw customer chat logs, and thousands of applicant resumes directly into AI prompts to be summarized or analyzed. While this rapid data ingestion drives massive output, it also strips the enterprise of its control over its own proprietary intelligence. Security teams call this the prompt exfiltration vector. It occurs when well-meaning employees, simply trying to save time, inadvertently leak intellectual property directly to third-party language models. Traditional network defenses cannot stop this. This diagram illustrates why Standard Data Loss Prevention, or DLP, security software designed to detect and block potential data breaches, fails here because browser-based AI interface traffic is completely end-to-end encrypted. Identifying and manually redacting thousands of individual names, emails, and account numbers from documents before uploading them is physically impossible for a human workforce. Enterprises are trapped in a severe bottleneck. They are forced to choose between scaling their AI workflows to stay competitive or locking down their internal systems to maintain absolute data security and compliance. PrivacyScrubber PRO is an architectural countermeasure built specifically to secure these massive datasets instantly. A user can select dozens of different bulk files simultaneously, whether they are .csv spreadsheets, .docx text documents, or simple .txt files. They drag and drop this entire data cluster directly into a single unified processing zone on their screen. This activates the tokenization engine. Scanning unstructured text, it rapidly swaps sensitive data with reversible placeholder tags. The engine simultaneously identifies standard PII, masking names, emails, and social security numbers. It also applies custom rules, isolating proprietary markers like internal project codes or account formats. Thousands of rows of data are scrubbed and anonymized in seconds. Unstructured, highly vulnerable files are converted into an entirely secure, AI-ready state without slowing down the user's workflow. Executing enterprise-scale data sanitization at this speed usually requires heavy cloud computing, but this system requires absolutely zero server processing power. The entire batch tokenization engine operates 100% locally, contained entirely within the user's browser memory. You can verify this using the airplane mode test. If you disconnect your computer from the internet entirely, this massive batch execution will still run flawlessly. Because the unencrypted data never travels across a network or rests on an external server, the mathematical risk of third-party exposure drops to exactly zero. Once the processing finishes, the newly scrubbed datasets are instantly available for download. The original structural integrity of the files remains perfectly intact. Spreadsheets and text documents retain all of their formatting, requiring zero manual cleanup. This pristine, tokenized data can now be safely ingested into advanced RAG pipelines. RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation, is a framework where language models pull information from a company's internal vector database to answer complex queries. What was once a massive compliance vulnerability becomes an automated, legally defensible workflow. It easily satisfies the strict European data protection mandates of GDPR and the zero data at rest requirements of SOC 2 security audits. Organizations no longer have to choose between leveraging the speed of AI and protecting their proprietary data. Enterprise teams can automate their compliance at scale and permanently secure their prompt perimeter against inadvertent leaks. Equip your workforce with PrivacyScrubber PRO and experience zero-trust data sanitization firsthand.